SpaceX's fuel crisis could be solved, but not without raising eyebrows. SpaceX's ambitious Starship program has faced its fair share of setbacks this year, including a dramatic explosion during testing. https://www.extremetech.com/aerospace/starship-explodes-on-launchpad-ahead-of-static-fire-tests. However, the recent flawless execution of Flight 10, https://www.extremetech.com/aerospace/starship-flight-10-goes-off-without-a-hitch-ending-spacex's-string-of-dash failures, has reignited optimism. With plans to drastically ramp up launch frequency, SpaceX now faces a new and pressing challenge: securing enough fuel to keep its massive rockets flying. Traditionally, SpaceX has relied on trucking in fuel to its launch sites. But that method is quickly becoming unsustainable. To support its vision of launching Starships not just weekly, but potentially daily, to destinations like the Moon and Mars, the company is pivoting toward producing fuel directly at its facilities. Construction of new fuel production infrastructure is already underway. Here's the part most people miss. Each Starship is a towering behemoth, standing over 100 meters tall and dominated by fuel tanks. Every launch consumes more than 1 million gallons of liquefied methane and oxygen. On top of that, a significant amount of liquid nitrogen is used to maintain internal pressure as fuel is burned. That's the equivalent of more than 200 tanker truck deliveries per launch. With regulatory approval for up to 25 launches annually, and aspirations to exceed 100, SpaceX's fuel needs are skyrocketing. To meet this demand, SpaceX is constructing a cryogenic fuel facility near its Florida launch site. This plant will draw in atmospheric air, condense it, and separate out oxygen and nitrogen. These gases will then be cooled to cryogenic temperatures and stored underground, ready for use during launches. But that's not all. SpaceX is also planning 2 methane liquefaction plants to convert natural gas into launch-ready fuel. Initially, this methane will be delivered by truck, but future pipeline systems could streamline the process. There's even talk of building an on-site methane generation facility, which would give SpaceX full control over its fuel supply chain. And this is where it gets controversial. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers recently released details of SpaceX's proposals and is actively seeking public feedback on potential environmental and societal impacts, too. https://www.swg.usace.army.mil/portals/26/regulatory/pn%sign 20 August/SWG-2012-00381_20250826_ public notice.pdf Mark VER =IWMJL7 LSKXYKPTXAMI2 JPG =. According to the Corps, the project has been designed to minimize its footprint. Blast walls will be strategically placed to allow infrastructure to be built closer to existing launch pads, reducing the need for expansion. Silt fencing will be installed to prevent erosion and sediment runoff, helping protect nearby water sources. The proposed development spans 21 acres, including sensitive wetlands and wind tidal flats. While SpaceX's plans aim to reduce environmental disruption, critics are raising concerns about methane emissions. Excess methane could boil off into the atmosphere, contributing to greenhouse gas buildup and climate change. So here's the big question. Should SpaceX be allowed to expand its fuel production capabilities if it risks increasing methane emissions? Or does the potential for space exploration justify the environmental trade-offs? Let's open the floor. Do you think SpaceX's fuel strategy is visionary or reckless? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.